My name is Francis Sagadal. This video is about the importance of understanding the self in my future career as a successful automotive mechanic. We know becoming a successful automotive mechanic technicians takes time and dedication. As an automotive mechanic, I need to be good mixed mechanical and personal skills to be a successful automotive mechanic someday. First, understanding myself will help me to align my career. That's why I study Bachelor Engineering Technology, major in Automotive Technology in University of Eastern Philippines, College of Engineering, to study all automotive systems, how to handle tools and equipment, and also to chase with my passion and interest. Here are some key aspects to success in life. Number 1, clear goals. Setting clear and specific goals help provides direction and motivations. 2, hard work. Success often requires putting in the time, effort, and dedication to achieve desired outcomes. Number 3, continuous learning. Being open to learning and acquiring new skills and knowledge is essential for growth and success. 4, adaptability. Being adaptable and flexible allows for adjusting the changing circumstances and finding opportunities. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.